Welcome to today's video. This is a basic level phonics lesson, and today we'll be working with words that end in GE and CE. But first, let's review some of the sounds that you've already learned. Go ahead and pause the video, try these on your own, and then whenever you're ready, you can listen to check your answers.
ng, e, ch, o, sh, f, a, I, u.
All right, now listen, write down the sounds in the order that you hear them, and then I'll play it again and write the correct answers.
E, sh, ch, ng, u, I, a, f, o, e, sh, ch, ng, u, I, a, f, o.
All right, now practice sounding out these words, and then when you're ready to check the answers, restart the video to listen.
D, u, k, duke, o, m, home, f, e, m, theme, t, a, p, tape, u, o, rule, p, e, t, Pete, b, I, k, bike, s, I, ng, sing.
All right, now we'll review the C sound. Listen and repeat.
K, 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 cat.
And now we'll listen to how the C sounds when we add the silent E on the end. Listen and repeat.
S, 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 face.
All right, now practice sounding out these words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
A, s, pace, a, s, race, p, o, a, s, place, n, I, s, nice, p, I s price. I s mice.
All right, now we'll review the G sound. Listen and repeat.
G g g big.
And now listen to how the G changes when it's followed by a silent E. Listen and repeat.
J j j page.
Now practice sounding out these words, and when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
W a j wage. U j huge. S t a j stage. S t a n j strange. A n j range. Ch a n j change.
All right, now practice sounding out all of these words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
Th a t that. N I s nice. U j huge. B I k bike. I s price. F a s face. T e n ten. S t a j stage. S t a n j strange. K a j cage. N I s nice. I s mice.
All right, this time you'll listen and write down the words that you hear, and then when you're ready, restart the video to see the correct answers.
Stage. Bike. Nice. Price. Cage. face, stage, bike, nice, price, cage, face,
And this time we'll review the sight words.
for, my, I, saw.
Right, now practice reading the sentences on your own, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
That is a nice price for a huge bike. I change my face to go on the stage. In a strange place, I saw 10 mice in a cage. Mice in a cage? That is not nice.
Alright, now read the entire story again, and when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
In a strange place, I saw 10 mice in a cage. Mice in a cage? That is not nice.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.